Morning, guys. Hey, morning, Dinesh. Thanks. Okay. So, are we ready for the interviews? All of you? We'll start now. Shall we? Okay. Before that, how many teams have not done their GD yet? I have asked a couple of teams to redo it. When are they planning? Today? Ashwini and team. Okay. Send me a schedule. I need it today. Yashwant and team too. Okay. Uh, guys, plan it today. We'll have to close it today. Okay. Okay. In terms of interviews, how do we go about it? Because I have a total of a little more than 150 students. I'll have to do the Archana and team. Okay, plan it today. Archana and team. Aisha, plan it today. Okay. Okay. At four. All right. Four. I think someone else had mentioned that. Okay. Is it the same team? Archana and Aisha. Right. 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 Okay. It's four. Okay. And Yashwant and team. Um, plan accordingly. Right. So how do we go about it? I have a little more than 150 students across departments. I would want to have a plan so that we can complete it in 1 week. We just have one more week to complete this. Any idea? Any suggestions? We'll do it in class too. We don't have have any other choice. Maybe I'll give one more day for you to prepare in terms of doing it in class. Otherwise, we are starting today. Okay, in interviews. So I will, have to go with the attendance order. If you guys are not coming up with an answer, coming with the schedule, I will have to go with the attendance order. Okay, so I mean the register number order from number one. I will have to start. Okay, sorry, we'll start doing it today. In terms of the class session, I will still keep the floor open today for questions. From tomorrow, we'll have the interviews also done throughout the class. Okay, so let's see how it goes. All right, mark your attendance. All of you, please mark your attendance for today. All right, question time. Please ask. Guys, nothing. So then we'll start the interview sessions today itself. Give me some kind of an answer. Sorry, Rakesh. Rakesh, I didn't understand your question. Why IT? You are from EC. I really don't understand that. Can you speak, Rakesh, so that I will understand the question? Why are you looking for IT? You are from EC. Okay, okay. So you're asking me this question. What if? Okay, that's something which you need to answer, Rakesh. Why are you looking for IT when you are from EC? That's your. You'll have to think about it and answer. Why do you want to get into IT? Are you interested in IT? Are you having any kind of liking, inkling towards IT? Are you a natural IT person? You think anything specific that you like in IT? You want your life or career based on IT? If yes, why? So that is what you will have to answer. Okay, so you will have to understand the reason behind you choosing an IT. Okay, you can't say salary. You can't say something like that. You'll have to be very specific about why do you want to build a career in IT. That is something which you will have to think about. But then, unless the ways you think and come up with an answer, it won't work out. The reason is it won't be genuine. So think, why do you want to get into IT? Okay. Wrong answers will be my brother is in IT. Okay. My friends are in IT. My mom asked me to go. This is one of the options I'm trying. These are not wrong answers. Be very specific. Understand yourself. Why do you want to, join IT? And that is your answer. You'll have to find that answer within you, right? Okay. And why did you choose EC as your again the same kind of thought process? Why did you choose? I can only say that I have some kind of interest in EC. Then the question will be, then why are you moving from ECE to IT? So it is going to be a question all your life. Think about it. Find a solution. Find an answer for yourself. Each of you will have to come up with their own answers here. Um, I can give you an answer, but it won't work out because I'll have to imagine something because I'm not an ECE guy and I'm not an IT. So I'll have to just imagine something and give you. So the best thing is you think, why did you choose ECE? And over the period of time, your interest changed towards IT. But what they will ask is, இப்போ you're joining an IT and over a period of next 3-4 years, you will have a different interest on கேட்டாங்கன்னா, then you will have to still give them a answer which convinces them. See, the problem here is you need to understand why they're asking this question, right? They are looking at your longevity. எவ்வளோ வருஷம் நீங்க இங்க இருப்பீங்க? இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி யூ ஆர் பிளானிங் ஃபார் யுவர் கரியரா இல்லை ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாப் கேப் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டான்ற ஒரு ட்ரையல் அவங்க செக் பண்றதுக்கு தான் தேர் ஆஸ்கிங் திஸ் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஹவ் வில் யூ ஆன்சர்? யூ வில் ஹாவ் டு கன்வின்ஸ் that you are focused on IT being your career, if in case that is your question, right? Or why did you really choose EC? That should be your answer. And if you are attending any IT interview, then you'll have to ensure there is an answer for everything. You IT choose பண்ணீங்க 12th முடிச்சுட்டு you're saying EC was your interest then. Now you are moving from EC to IT. Why? This is a question they will definitely ask. So you must come up with an answer is which is a little bit true and which will convince them as well. Think for yourself. Understand why did you choose ECE and why did you choose to attend this IT interview? Is your career going to be in IT and why? This is something which you need to think and get an answer for. What kind of work environment do you like? I don't think this will be a question at all, Praveen. Sorry. Why? What kind of work environment do you like? See, this question will not arise. I have not seen this question all my life, but since you asked, let me try and give you an answer. An environment where I can learn, an environment where I can uh, constantly evolve, get better at what I do. An environment where I get a lot of opportunities to explore, a lot of opportunities to prove my potential, a lot of opportunities to learn. That should be your answer. That is a environment that you should be looking for. Tell me about the time you made a mistake. Mistake in interview, Ajit? Are you asking the mistake I made in an interview? In career or life? Okay. All right. There should be many. Okay. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you about my personal mistakes right now. I'll talk only about my professional mistakes right now. Okay. So professional mistakes are many. To start with, I have put my personal life or personal interest or my, you know, uh, work secondary. I have done it a lot of times. Um, every time it has worked badly for me. Okay, so okay, so I'll finish this first. To be specific, and there was an instance when there was a task that was assigned to me. I believe I've been repeating this in your classes during PC also. That there will be task assigned, there will be deadline given to you. You must work towards the deadline, achieve whatever is asked out of you within the deadline, right? I've not done that all my life. There are a couple of instances where I have failed doing that. Many a times I've failed meeting the targets, but couple of times I remember it was because of my mistake, not just because of any other environmental causes, but my mistake. One such is I was given a task, and it was 10 days at 12, 10 to 12 days within which I need to complete a particular task, right? Um, so I was orally told about that. I was not given a mail. I was not sent a message or something. It was orally discussed, and it was a meeting, and I didn't note it down. Okay, I was just told, Praveen, you should take care of this by a specific date. You'll have to complete this task, right? Once out of the meeting, we went for a coffee or something, and then I totally forgot to write it down, note it down. And it was almost a day before the task that I was reminded of that. And then I remembered, oh God, man, I was told about this in a meeting. I totally forgot about it. I didn't write it down. So now I'm in a soup. I can't finish the work tomorrow. So it was a huge embarrassing thing for me. I couldn't complete the work on time. It was a very very bad situation, and I shouldn't have done that. But then, yeah, there was a mistake from my part entirely because I was given a task, I didn't note it down, and I should have. That is the common denominator. Whenever there is an assignment or a task that is given to you, you note it down. You date when it was assigned and when it is needed and what is needed. These are the information that you keep capturing every time there is a task assigned to you. So nowadays, I don't repeat these mistakes. I hopefully don't end up doing it again. But again, yeah, that is such one of the mistakes that I've done. But in terms of the career itself, choosing one of the organizations in the past was a mistake. I was in a very good organization and then I moved to an organization which was not doing that great in terms of their finance. So the organization had to be sold to some big organization, big another big organization, and during that I almost had to quit and look for another job. I was without job for a month and a half. That was a tough time. So choosing that particular organization was a huge blunder without checking their financial status. So we should understand. So that's where I'm talking about the research about a particular company, right? We need to understand what they are, how well they are doing, what is their financial status. Okay, what is the liquidity and all those things we need to understand. At this point, it's going to be difficult for you to learn all those things, but it's better to learn. Okay, if you're not a soft skills trainer, what would you be? I would be a HR somewhere. What else? I was a HR, so maybe I would have been a HR somewhere. Okay. Being an ECE student, if they ask why did you change your career path to IT company, how to face it? That's what I said, Seventy. This question was asked a little while earlier. You guys had to understand two things. Why did you choose EC? That is the first thing. And why did you choose, IT now? That will be for choosing EC. Okay, so there are many possibilities, many reasons that you could have chosen EC. One is you wanted to get into EC. The other is you couldn't get IT or CSE in a particular college. Those colleges you would have options, yeah, and those options, these streams you didn't get through. You got only ECE, and then you did. அப்படி கூட சொல்லலாம். Then is it true? Okay, can you prove that? Prove that, not with the document, but can you stick with the statement? All right, you can say that you didn't get an IT or a CSE in Savita, so EC was an option, but you always wanted to get into IT. But through EC also you can join IT. That's the idea that I had. So whatever I do, IT is something which is already always in my mind, and I've been training for that as well. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி you can try and give an answer. But for which you need to have some sort of justification. What did you do in the past 4 years to get yourself closer to IT? Did you do any course? Right? Did you do any certifications, anything like that? Right? So you need to understand. You need to have something like that to add value to your answer. Okay. Thanks. All right. How many teams are planning their GD today? Remember, three teams I think have come up today. Please fix a time and let's stick to it today and then close it out. Interview is something which we'll have to start, immediately. Come up with a schedule. If you want to go today, you can send me a message. I will, confirm my availability. And then we can immediately go ahead. Okay. So it is going to be for a maximum of 5 minutes, not more than that, I think. If the interview keeps going on, which means, it is a good thing, but 5 minutes is what I'm expecting on an average. Anything else? Okay. If there is nothing, we can leave. Mark your attendance, and he's joining. Ashwant is joining right now. Mark your attendance, and then get your GDs done by today. Okay. Thank you.